Hello, and welcome to Three Blind Mice Window Coverings. Today we're in the blind space for window modes booth at IWCE 2025, and we've come across a real unique product I want to share with you. So what we have here is a component product that allows you to recess your drapery tracks into your ceiling. Now this is a component product, so you can get this in all different widths. It also comes in different sizes for different brands, but how this works is this system you get set to your contractor recesses this inside of your ceiling, and what makes this so unique with that is that these little ridges and this lip allow them to mud flush with this. So it's super ultra clean look, very finished, very contemporary look. And then once this is mounted up inside your ceiling, your installer can come and mount your drapery track, snaps in place, and then everything is concealed right inside the ceiling of your home that you're using this with. So it's a really nice option. Comes in different styles for different motorized systems. You can also have custom bent tracks for it. So again, very contemporary, very beautiful looking, really refined look. If you'd like more information about this or any other great products, please visit us at threeblindmiceusa.com.